Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss a new weight loss drug that the FDA has just approved. It's called Wegovy injection, and we will cover everything you need to know about it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. It will motivate us to create more content. So let us get started. Wegovy injection is a prescription medication for adults who are overweight or obese to help them effectively control their weight. This medication has become very popular among people struggling with obesity, as it provides a safe and effective way to achieve the desired body weight. Wegovy injection helps in weight loss by suppressing appetite, stimulating metabolism, and providing nutrients that promote healthy fat burning. The results of using this drug can be seen within a few weeks, making it the ideal solution for those who want quick yet lasting results. It contains a powerful hormone called semaglutide, which is similar to the natural hormone produced by our body. This medication is very convenient, as it only needs to be administered once a week through an easy-to-use subcutaneous injection. Wegovy injection offers a unique approach to weight control by reducing the feeling of hunger and increasing the feeling of fullness. This helps you eat fewer calories and promotes natural weight loss. In addition, semaglutide also slows the emptying of the stomach, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance, a complete solution for anyone who wants to lose weight healthily. Now let us talk about its effectiveness. In clinical trials, Wegovy injection proved incredibly effective in weight loss. In a 68-week study, participants taking Wegovy injection lost an average of 15% of their body weight, while those taking a placebo only lost 2.4%. The bottom line is that the results speak for themselves. However, as with any drug, there are some side effects to be aware of. The most commonly reported side effects of Wegovy injection are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. These reactions are usually due to the body's natural response to the medication and can usually be controlled or minimized by following the treatment plan recommended by your doctor. Aside from the commonly known potential side effects of headache, dizziness, and fatigue, you should talk to your doctor if you experience any problems while taking a particular medication. Awareness of possible side effects is essential to ensure your safety and well-being. In conclusion, Wegovy injection is a promising and innovative weight loss medication that can help you control your weight safely and effectively. This medication works by reducing hunger and increasing the feeling of fullness, which can lead to more successful long-term weight management. However, it is highly recommended that you consult your doctor to determine if this treatment option is right for you and to monitor any potential side effects closely. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.